Hi everyone, my name is Tanner Chase. I'm a client advisor here at Bill Dodge Hyundai of Brunswick, Maine. Hope you're doing well today. Hey, we're reaching out. We're taking a quick video today of one of our limited 2020 Sonatas. You'll notice that the Sonata has a bit of a facelift this year that people are really enjoying. This one's finished in phantom black with a gray interior. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what's going on with our Sonatas here. The Sonata is powered by a 1.6 liter turbocharged engine. It makes about 180 horsepower. Some great features inside. Now, we'll start with some safety features. The Sonata has a 360 bird's eye view camera that even comes into play when you're using your turn signals. If you come around the side of the car, you're going to see some nice stylish wheels, and the lighting on this vehicle has become a key feature. You've got a tail light on each side, of course, with a wraparound LED bar. Enhances visibility for nighttime driving. If you come around to the side here, you'll see that the limited Sonata has power seats, power mirrors, power locks. It has memory set seats and Bose audio all throughout. We've got heads-up display right on our windshield here. We've even got adaptive cruise control. If you take a look throughout the cabin, you'll see gloss black trim all throughout, which is a really nice accent feature. This one does have the available Smart Park that these cars have become so well known for. We've got wireless cell phone charging down below. We've got heated and cooled seats as well as a heated steering wheel. Nice big touchscreen with onboard navigation, among a lot of other great features. Full panoramic sunroof that you may see right there. If you guys would like some more information, give me a call. My direct line is 207-449-4333. Thank you.